My husband got me these tulips. How cute. Oh my word. Love them so much. They're so cute and so colorful. Perfect for spring. I put them in this. Don't ask me what this is. I've put them in this jar. You know what? Month end, I'm gonna buy myself a vase. Don't judge me. I love it so much. Thank you, my baby. These are so cute. Guys, it's so cold. Just will walk into the car now. Hey guys, happy Sunday. Oh my god, it is so cold. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ruth. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to support the girl. I'm starting this vlog in the car. My husband and I are from church and we decided to pass by the shops. My friend actually sent me money to buy ice cream, so I got that. Though it's so cold today, but hopefully it'll get warm like maybe tomorrow or something, and then I'll be able to have that. We don't have any plans for the day, man. My husband and I are such homebodies, like we spend most of the time in the house, so that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna make something to eat. We had coffee after church, but we're just gonna make, I think, like a sandwich with tea, and then we bought like frozen pizza, so I was thinking we have the frozen pizza with wings for dinner later. So I'll definitely take you guys with to make that with me, and then yeah, we'll see what we get up to for the rest of the week. But I just thought, let me start this vlog here before I mess it up. All right, I'm wearing this beautiful dress that my husband got for me. I did talk about it in my last vlog. It's actually a dress from PLT. It's wool. It's woolen wool. It's a knit dress, so it's very warm, perfect for today because it's quite windy and very cold. There was a little bit of sun in the morning, almost confused me, but I'm so glad that I decided to wear this dress, because otherwise I wouldn't even be starting this vlog right now. Anyways, I did catch a little bit of cold, but it's fine. We'll sort that out later. I'll have like a lip sip. I'll show you guys later. I've been talking to you guys the entire time and this thing was not recording. Yo. So basically I was telling you guys that my husband got me these tulips and they were dying on me. So I just removed like some of the leaves because I checked the video on TikTok and then said I should remove, you know, the leaves, change the water, cut the stems, whatever. So I did that and they look a lot better. I did show you guys these earlier on when I started this vlog. Yeah, let's make something to eat. Hello.
Hello.
Little.
Okay.
Emma. What's up, I just thought we should have a little chat as we're preparing something to eat. So today, the message at church was about the different types of storms that we face. Every person in life faces a storm, like a storm is part of life. God never said to anybody that there are not going to be any trials and tribulations, but somehow we always feel like it's the end of the world whenever there's a challenge in our lives. So you could be facing like a sickness, a relationship stuff, heartbreak, or financial troubles or crisis, school, you know, in life. But it's very important for you to be mindful of the things that you say. I remember the pastor saying, I could be paraphrasing, but something like, don't say something when you're facing troubles that you otherwise wouldn't say when life is good, like when everything is going your way, when you're winning, when you're in your season of harvesting. And that stood out so much for me. I'm like, very nice. Very nice, because I know a lot of us tend to say, you know, life is difficult. Some people even feeling like God has neglected them. You know what? When life is going good, you feel like God has not neglected you. So sometimes God just lets things happen in our lives. So it's very important for us to be careful of the words that we say and just be mindful of the trials and tribulations are always going to be there in life. They do come at different times as different things, but trials and tribulations are part of this life that we live. So let's hold on with me. If you are currently going through something, whatever it is, just trust and be hopeful. Continue to trust in the Lord. Continue to praise. And continue to praise. There's this song that I really love. I forgot the name. But it says, I think waiting. I'll put the name of the song or a screenshot from YouTube on the side here so that you guys can listen to it. I love listening to it. Just so that you can praise. Even when you're waiting on God for the things that you're praying for, the things that you're hoping for, you still praise. You still pray, sweetie, and you still worship God. How and just keep your head down, you know, just because you're facing something. Continue to trust that He is God, and whatever it is that He's planning in your life, He's gonna do it, and nobody's gonna doubt that that's God in your life. Because I know a lot of times we kind of put the hope in people for people to help us, but we are actually supposed to be focusing only on God. You know, God is a jealous God. He wants only Him to be praised when things happen in your life. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm done over here. Just making tea and then we're gonna eat. Later on, guess what I'm gonna watch? My new favorite show? Family Feud. Last week I was actually watching the episode Yabo, Connie Ferguson and Isaac Makwala with our families. I really enjoyed it. Honestly, there's no episode of Family Feud that I would say I did not enjoy. I'm always up for the challenge and the questions. Though some of them are kind of weird. Like, who asks such things? But hey, it's fine. It's just games. So we will chat later. I need to get in my blankets. I need to be warm. Bye for now. Wait on the Lord. He will renew your strength. So wait, I say, wait on the Lord. Wait on the Lord. He will renew your strength. So wait, I say. The breakthrough is coming. The healing is coming. Wait on the This is our dinner. Rahadna won about the Industry Award winner 2024. So yeah, we're having that with wings that I did marinade. I added a little bit of baking powder just to make it crispy on the outside. So I'm gonna put everything in the oven. I'm gonna start with the chicken wings, and then after 5 minutes I'm gonna put the pizza, because it says it takes 19 minutes. So I think the wings need like 25 minutes or so to cook. So the oven is already on. So let's make this dinner. The pizza is about to go in, but it looks so small for 2 people. Thank God we have the wings. Dinner is ready.
It's a motorcycle.
Yeah.
You go next door and borrow the sound system?
Yes, Steve.
That's impossible.
It's honor for you,
I'm
Steve.
not giving you my sound system. What? The music.
Imagine.
Alright, you ready? I'm ready. 20 seconds on the clock, please. A river in Africa. You said the Nile. Survey said.
Told you. Good morning. Our dinner last night was actually so good. That pizza, love it. It actually wasn't expensive. Last week I made and it smells like it is ready to be eaten. Oh, thank God. Thank the Lord. There's nothing that tastes as good as motohwa in the morning, guys. Yo, we thank God. So I'm just gonna prepare a pot. I'm gonna have motohwa for breakfast. Love it. But one thing about motohwa, it will make you hungry so quickly. So after like an hour or 2, we'll have, I think just bread, normal bread with margarine and tea or coffee. Let's do it. I actually enjoyed the episode, Yeah, Family Feud, the one we watched last night, about the, what do those guys do, Ghana? Badikuda. It was very nice. I feel like there was so much competition. There was so much competition, like the way those other guys answered. But the answer only one, the other ones come. It was it happened to them like twice. It's just when I thought they have a chance to steal the points, the other team all questions like they cleared the board. So annoying. Not that I don't support them, but it's always painful when you guys answer like 7 out of 8 questions, and then the other team can just answer 1 question and get all the points. I was sad, but at least they managed to get all the answers from the last round, triple their points, and got some money. It would have been so painful if they walked out of there with 0. Anyways, I just thought, let me update you guys on that one. My husband and I are definitely gonna be buying that pizza again. But I think next time we'll make it with fries and wings on the side. Unless you make like 2 pizzas. I'm trying to pick up the things that we left by the sink last night. We are dansies. Let's go have a burger. Yeah, I'm so excited. Yeah, what from the whole thing. Hey guys, my husband and I are going to Newport. We're actually in a rush, so I can't talk much. We have 5 minutes to get to the train station. We're using the train. Again, I literally missed hearing them saying welcome to Transport for Wales. Anyways, let's go. I'll catch up with you guys later.
Now approaching Newport Gwent. If you are leaving us here, please make sure you have all your luggage and belongings with you. Thank you for travelling with Transport for Wales.
Say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't cast, last, now every
Guys, I've parted ways with my husband. He went the other way because he has a meeting. So I'm just gonna pass time by Friar's Walk, which is the mall here in Newport. I just want to see. Honestly, I'm not looking for anything in particular, but I've been seeing a lot of videos on TikTok of the girlies trying out stuff from M&S, like the dips and the chips and very nice things. And there's this coffee that's trending that they make with like a milkshake they get from M&S with the iced coffee. I'm not an iced coffee girly, but when I saw that milkshake, I just knew it's something I would love with a little bit of coffee. The views are impeccable anyways. I'm passing by the water and my lips are dry, but anyways, so I want to go to M&S just to see what they have. And then I think I want to go to Next as well, see what they have in store. I'm too lazy to walk to Primark. Maybe I'll do it, maybe not. See, because I know girls buy jeans from like Primark and H&M, but I don't think there's H&M here, is there? I don't think so. So we're just gonna do that. Taking you guys with. Let's go. I'm thinking I should get a croissant because I haven't had some in a very long time. But do I want this or this? Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. This is so interesting. These might be so nice.
body go to breakfast, have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo.
My baby is back. I was just having a croissant. I wanted to get coffee, but I wasn't sure. I went to M&S. I got a few stuff. Okay, I got three things. Three, which was the croissant that I already ate. It was too good. Too delicious. TikTok people keep plugging me with stuff from M&S, but I couldn't find like other things that I saw on TikTok that pair with other things. For instance, I got these chili con masa tortillas, like they're just chips that people love them with the Caesar dip or something like that. I couldn't find the Caesar dip, so I'm just gonna try the chips by themselves. Like I'm gonna try the chips on their own, but when we get home later. And then I also got these oat crunch, yeah, basically just biscuits. Melinda got me something similar to this from Woolworths in December. I really enjoyed them with coffee or hot chocolate. So when I saw these, I'm like, baby, I need to take you. But anyways, my husband is here. We're just gonna see what we can get up to or see around here. I actually went into H&M and what other shop is that? Yeah, that shop. But I couldn't find like jeans in my size. I tried to look, but all the jeans that I love that are child friendly, I don't have a size. but I'll keep trying because I really need a pair of jeans, like at least just one pair of jeans. Other than that, they don't really have anything interesting. I saw a dress that I really like though, but it's extra small. It was so cheap. I'm not extra small. Anyways, let me go.
Picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter in the street.
Could be wrong.
What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window.
Oh, such a pretty place. Italian. So cute. Huh? What kind of sir?
Ginetto gioco rodere. Di beige.
I'm not gonna run now, just gonna stand here.
Together with this.
Really nice. So the Damaranto is really nice.
Okay.
Maybe I can try something new.
Pistachio is nice as well.
Good morning, guys. I hope you guys are good. I think I last saw you guys when we were in Newport Market. I believe so. So my husband and I decided, you know what, it'd be nice to try out this new place that we've been seeing on TikTok for the longest time, and we really love it. We're actually gonna go back there. We had the pizza. The pizza tasted so fresh. Like, that guy made everything from scratch. I could just tell from how the pizza tasted. The dough, the toppings, everything was good. It was made from pork. I could taste it. So really love that. And he gave us some cheesy garlic bread on the side, which he also made. Very nice. So the market has like very different the market has like food from, I don't know how many countries that is, but they had Thai, they had Chinese, they had, I read some other places on the screen. I didn't see anything Southern African though, like South African, Botswana, Zimbabwean. I didn't see any stalls like that. But what they did have, we're really happy. We tried stuff from 3 different places. So we had the, is it the King Thai? Pin Thai, something like that, which is the Thai wings. I was so shocked that they only brought like 5 winglets. Like, hello? That's daylight robbery. We came for, I think there was £6 or something like that, 6, 7, 8 pounds for 5 winglets, sweetie. But yeah, we enjoyed them nonetheless. They were very nice. Paired with the pizza. Obviously, we were so full. I had 2 packs to bring home, and I had them the leftovers for breakfast. So still tasted so fresh, beautiful. Like I said, really like it. So we're gonna go back there to try more things. My husband ended up having ice cream for dessert. I felt like it was getting cold and I would get cold, but I did taste this ice cream and oh my god, I have been thinking of that ice cream since then. He got the biscoff and the salted something. I'll write it down on the screen. It was so good with the sugar cone. I think for 2 scoops was something like £3 or £3.50. I'm not too sure, but honestly it wasn't so bad. So I'm actually about to head out. I'm going to send this package to my friend to take home with her to Botswana. I got this wig last year. Actually, I was supposed to take it to Botswana. My aunt ordered it, so I did that on her behalf, but the order got late. Like I had already left by the time they delivered it. It's actually from SHEIN, which is why I'm showing you guys. I feel like I love this wig. I'm gonna buy it for myself. So I just wanted to show you guys quickly before I actually take it to her. I can't remove this thing, can I? Alright, that's fine. It's not a chain smash. I'll write down the length and the description of the wig down on the screen, but can you guys see that? Can you see that? Oh my god, I love this wig. If I didn't have locks, I'd put it on my head so you guys can see, but the quality, I love it. I love it so much. It has a parting here on the side, but obviously, is that a side or middle part? Yeah, it has this parting here, probably on the side or the middle part. I think it's the middle part, but obviously because it's a frontal, you can always make a parting for yourself anyway. Love it. And it wasn't expensive, hey. I think it was in the 700s in Bulas. Yeah, close to 800 Bula, if I'm not mistaken. Wow. If you guys want the link to this particular wig, just let me know. I will get the link or code for you, and then you can order it if you want. Let me just put in the sun so you guys can see. Do you see that? Stunning. Anyways, I'm just gonna post this. I've been trying to walk around the house to think of what else I need from the shop so that I can do that. My husband is actually at work. I forgot to put this thing inside. My husband is actually at work, so I will be walking. I'm going alone. It's not far. Honestly, it's not. So I just wanted to take you guys with me, and then when you come back, I want to make myself something to eat. It's actually, I think, around 10 o'clock right now, and I haven't had anything to eat. I was actually contemplating on having a banana. But I'm not too sure. That is the description of the wig. It's a 13 by 4 wig, 14 inch, in the color 1B. It's 180% density. All right. Back home, and I got myself a treat. I saw this Cadbury picnic. Honestly, I've never heard of it, and I got myself gum. I can't live without gum. I just thought, for all time's sake, let's taste this together. It was written 90p when I got it, but when I got to the till, it was £1. I think 10p or something. I don't know. Anyways. But I was given lunch bar. It's given lunch bar. My first bite didn't even have a raisin in it, but I can see like 2 raisins here, so let me take another bite. Make a lunch bar. If you love lunch bar, you won't know where to get it. In the UK, sweetie, get yourself a picnic. It's the same thing. Different name, same thing. I can't even taste the raisins in it. But it's good. I love it. I actually feel bad that I got one when I know that my husband is gonna want one. He watches my vlogs, so he's gonna see this part. And he's gonna ask me, girl, where is mine? Anyways, I'm gonna make a sandwich. I think I just wanna make, an egg, bacon, a little bit of cheese, and some sauce. I really love the sauce. The bacon is, I love it for sandwiches. I really do. Smoky bacon flavor sauce. Yeah, love it. Love. I think it'll also work well for burgers and wraps. I haven't had the chance to make burgers yet. Maybe we will. And then I'll tell you guys how I feel about it. Guys, I'm so unfit. Like, can you hear how loudly I am breathing? I'm breathing heavily because I just took a walk. I need to do something. I haven't been walking the past couple of days because it was gloomy. Today the sun's out, it's beautiful. So I also did get to get some vitamin D. Hey guys, I'm editing this vlog and I realized I actually don't have an outro. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you did watch until the end, I really appreciate it. I'm having a bit of a problem with AdSense. I don't know if my ads are gonna be showing in this vlog, but if they did, please watch my ads. I am begging you, please don't skip the ads when you're watching my vlogs. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I will see you guys next week. Bye.